Hi, I am Nicole, and today we are going to talk about some of the top innovations in technology industry. The tech industry is constantly evolving, with new innovations being introduced almost every day. Let's take a closer look at some of the most intriguing and interesting innovations in tech today. First up, we have the rise of wearable technology. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, and other wearable devices are becoming increasingly popular, allowing people to track their health and fitness, stay connected to their devices, and even pay for purchases with just a tap of their wrist. Another exciting innovation in tech is the use of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles can be used for a variety of purposes, from capturing stunning aerial footage for film and television, to delivering packages and even performing search and rescue operations in difficult terrain. Virtual reality is also changing the way we experience the world around us. With VR headsets and software, we can immerse ourselves in new and exciting environments, from exploring far-off galaxies to experiencing the thrill of extreme sports without ever leaving the safety of our own home. Perhaps one of the most intriguing innovations in tech is the rise of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are becoming increasingly common on the roads, with companies like Tesla, Google, and Uber leading the charge in developing and testing this revolutionary new technology. Finally, we have the use of voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa. These AI-powered digital assistants can help us with everything from setting reminders and playing music to controlling our smart homes and even ordering groceries. These are just a few of the many exciting innovations in tech that are changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, who knows what exciting developments we'll see next. Please subscribe if you have liked this video. Thanks for watching.